Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to connect HTML form to database, that is MySQL, using PHP. Let me create a form, HTML form first. First let me save this file. You need to save this file inside the opt, inside the htdocs of XAMPP folder. I'm saving here HTML form. HTML form.html. You can see here I'm saving it here. In Windows it's similar. You need to save this file inside the XAMPP folder. You'll have a htdocs folder. Inside this htdocs folder you need to save that file. Let me create HTML form with labels first name and last name. Form label first name, and to take an input we need to create an input table. Input type text, and the name will be f name. And let me create another label called as last name. Let me create an input box for that. Type text, L name. This is my HTML form. Let me create a PHP file. Before creating a PHP file, let me create a database. You need to start the XAMPP. Before that, my XAMPP is running now. Just type localhost /dashboard, go to php myadmin, and just create a new database. Database name I'm giving as a HTML form. We need to create a table. Let me create a table as name with 2 columns, first name and last name. Let me create attributes. First name type is a variable character with length 20, and the last name type varchar with length 20. Varchar means you can store any types, like integer or any numbers or alphabets, whatever it may be. We can store that. We are just creating the you can see here we have created the database, and to connect both HTML and database we need to connect with using PHP. Let me open a new file as, let me save it first, HTML form.php. I'm writing a PHP code here. This is the syntax to write the PHP code here. Before that we need to create a connection. So that let me create a connection variable here. Variable equals to MySQL connect. Inside the MySQL connect we need to give a server name. It's a local host, and the user, let me give a root user, and we need to give a password for here. If you have any password you can give the root password here, but I'm not giving any password. And write a database name, what we have given here. My database name is HTML form here, so I'm just writing HTML form. Before that we need to create a button here, submit button. Let me create input type submit. I done here. To connect both HTML and PHP, we need to give a reference, that is action here. Action equals to HTML form.php, and the method should be post. I think you got it. Yeah, we'll do some PHP code here. When you click on this submit button, the following code inside the if block will get executed here. So that set of post submit. Submit is the reference name what we are getting from here. This is the name should be here. And let me create a two variable called as first name equals to post of if name. Yeah, you can see here I'm just referring this name from here. We are just taking a reference of this name to this variable. Similarly, we do last name. Yeah, now we'll write a SQL query inside some variable. I'm just creating SQL variable MySQL query. Yeah, you just pass the connection here what we have created here. We just pass that variable here. Just write the query insert into the database, the table name what we have given here. You can see the database name is the name. You can see here the data inside the database we have a table name called as a name. We just give the table name here. You need to use this operator. Don't use a comma operator here or a first p operator. First name, this is the attribute name where we have given in the database, comma last name. And the values will be these two variables. We're just getting it from the front end. I think you got it. Yeah, if this connection is successful, then the following query will get executed. Otherwise, we need to write a query to exit status to get a MySQL error. Of this connection. I think you got it. If the query get successful, then we need to get some alert message. If SQL echo we need to write inside the script because this is a alert in JavaScript. Inserted successfully. Else just print this. unsuccessful. Yeah, let me execute this. When you execute this, when you're going to execute this, just give the call the file name from the file inside the htdocs, like localhost. Write the file name here, html form dot html. You can see here I've got the two input variables like first name and last name. Let me give a break of this first name and last name. Yeah, this is right. First name Manju html, and click on the submit button. You can see here we are getting a inserted successfully message, and we'll see in the database whether the values get updated or not. Now you can see here the values are stored in the HTML database, that is Manju and HTML.
Hope you got it. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.